Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's video we will tell you about Asian elephant and African elephant. The size of the African elephant is large. The size of the Asian elephant is small. Asian elephant skin is not wrinkled. African elephant skin is wrinkled. The average height of an Asian elephant is 18 to 21 feet. The height of a male African elephant is 10 feet. An African female elephant is 7 to 8 feet tall. The Asian male elephant weighs 5,221 kilogram. The Asian female elephant weighs 3,465 kilogram. The African male weighs 6,000 kilogram. An African female elephant weighs 3,000 kilogram. There are two types of elephants in Africa, the bush elephant and the forest elephant. The bush elephant is called the African elephant. Bush scientific name is Loxodonta african. The name of the Asian elephant is Elephas maximus. African elephant is aggressive, but Asian elephant is not aggressive. African elephants have big ears, Asian elephants have small ears. The life of an Asian elephant is 48 years. The life of an African elephant is 60 years. A large number of Asian elephants are found in India. African elephants are found in Zimbabwe, Kenya, Tanzania, and South Africa. Both of them drink at least 80 to 200 liters of water daily. Both of them need 150 kilograms of food daily. Subscribe in Dominant World and press the bell icon for more informative videos.